Understanding Cheer Squad, a dive into English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, Cheer Squad. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding such phrases is key to improving your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of Cheer Squad. The phrase, Cheer Squad, refers to a group of people who support a team or an individual, usually in a sports context. This support is often shown through cheering, chants, and performing routines, typically to motivate and encourage the team they are supporting. The term can also be used metaphorically in other contexts, implying a group of people who offer support and encouragement in various aspects of life. Understanding the origin of Cheer Squad helps in grasping its meaning better. The concept originated from organized groups at sporting events, particularly in schools and colleges, where teams of cheerleaders perform coordinated cheers and routines. Over time, this term has evolved to encompass any group offering enthusiastic support, not just in sports but in other areas as well. Let's see how to use Cheer Squad in sentences. 1. The football team's cheer squad was incredibly energetic, lifting the spirits of the players. 2. During the difficult phases of the project, my colleagues became my cheer squad, constantly motivating me. 3. Her family acted as her personal cheer squad during the marathon, cheering her on from the sidelines. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different scenarios, both literal and metaphorical. There are variations and phrases related to Cheer Squad that are interesting to know. Cheerleader, a member of the cheer squad. Pep rally, an event where a cheer squad performs to boost school spirit. Rooting for, similar to cheering, meaning to support or hope for someone's success. Understanding these variations adds depth to your comprehension of Cheer Squad. I hope this exploration of Cheer Squad has been enlightening and adds a fun, expressive phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about words but understanding the culture and context behind them. Keep practicing, and don't forget to be part of someone's cheer squad. It can make all the difference. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.